Today I made very easy and quick recipe. Authentic lemon pepper chicken. Don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel. Let's get started. Chicken, 1 kilogram. Yogurt, 1 cup. Ginger garlic paste, 3 tablespoons. Lemon juice, 3 tablespoons. Black pepper, 1 teaspoon. Salt, 1 teaspoon. Garam masala powder, 1 teaspoon. Mix it well. Please like, cover and rest for 1 hour in refrigerator. Oil, 1 cup. Cumin seeds, green cardamom, cinnamon sticks, cloves, bay leaves, and star anise. Fry for 2 to 3 minutes. Marinated chicken. Fry for 10 to 15 minutes or until all separates. Like and comment. Like and comment. Add leftover yogurt. Like. Mix it. Like, share, subscribe. Cover and cook on low flame until chicken get cooked. Mix, mix, mix. Corn flour plus water, 1 teaspoon plus ½ cup. Add corn flour mixture and stir until thicken. Cook for 2 to 3 minutes or until all separates. Don't forget to share with friends and family. Black pepper powder, 1 teaspoon. Garnish with chopped lemon, green chilies, mint coriander leaves. Mix it well. Cover for 2 minutes. It's ready. Serve with naans and enjoy it.